This is an awesome bird, Donnie. You ever been on a plane this big?
No, I haven't, sir.
Well, don't be scared. I mean, these are one of the safest birds in the sky right now, the C5 Galaxy. Amazing machine. We're very lucky and fortunate to be on this bird right now, I tell you that.
Yes, we are.
Oh, they're ramping the engines up. All right, Donnie, sit back, put your seatbelt on. I know you hate seatbelts. Put it on, Donnie.
But don't you think we should check the bikes first? I'm worried about the bikes in the back.
No, Donnie, we checked them 13 times. They're in the pit bull restraint systems. They're fine. Look at Tiger over there. He's sitting there with Mezz. They're not worried about their bikes. He hasn't said a word.
Okay, if you say so.
We're going to have a ball, man. You know, it's really cool. Okay, we're moving. We're moving, Donnie. Sit back. Okay, we're lifting up. We're off the ground, Donnie. We're off the ground. Keep that seatbelt on. Don't try to take it off. They told you, don't take it off.
So I heard the Tiger's pretty fast.
Yes, he's fast. He's not as fast as the C5 Galaxy, but he is a fast guy.
Yeah, but Mezz he's bringing is running E85.
Yeah, well, we might use some of this jet fuel. I think we might be able to get him. Look how beautiful it looks down there. We're going to be cruising at 40,000 feet. That's 10,000 feet higher than a normal bird. Look at those engines.
I hope they have nice roads in this damn bull turkey.
So we got some fantastic motorcycles lined up here for some action here today. A stretched and lowered S1000 with nitrous is going to fare off against Stunnerway, who's naturally aspirated, no giggle juice or anything, but he is going to, he's going to lower his bike a little bit with those lowering straps. Wow, he just muscles it down. He doesn't even move the bike to do it. The Outspoken Tiger came all the way from Dallas, Texas to hang out with us. I'm on the V4 Speciale. He brought his good buddy Mezz on a ZX10, a very beautiful Z, if I must say so myself. Donny Brasco's here, my good buddy Eric, and the rest of these guys are also here. We rented a C5 Galaxy cargo airplane to transport us to Istanbul, Turkey, just to give you some amazing SmackDown content. Donny Brasco, Outspoken Tiger. Donny got him. Stunnerway got him. Looks like Stunnerway had the lead. The Outspoken Tiger got me on that one. Even though I jumped in the race, I still consider that a fair race, and that man was literally flying on that R1M. Wow. Good one. We got Stunnerway and Outspoken Tiger. Ah! Wow, suddenly got out there. It's our first stop for fuel. We had some smackdowns in there. Donny Brasco, how did it turn out for you today?
I am undefeated again today.
You're undefeated yet again.
Born killer.
Did you race the Outspoken Tiger?
I did. We got one run in. I'd like to run him again. I beat him the first time. And
on your S1000RR?
Absolutely.
Yep. Will you run him on my V4?
Sure.
Because you guys are both the same size, fairly.
I'd like to run him one more on my S1000.
Okay.
And then we'll switch in the middle like we did last time.
Sure.
And I'll run him on the Ducati V4.
Thank you. Did you run his buddy Mezz as well?
I did.
On the ZX10?
I did.
And what happened with that?
I beat him as well.
Wow.
And he's running E85. He popped up several races, but I was still able to. I was able to get him.
Okay. Well, congratulations. Let's see what the rest of the afternoon holds.
Yes.
Got him. Fair race. Wow, looks like Donny got him. Donny got the Tiger again. Got him. I consider that I got him.
Kids see ghosts sometimes, kids see ghosts sometimes, kids see ghosts sometimes. Spirit.
Asking me what the fuck happened to hip hop, I said I don't have any answers, cause I took a nap when I dropped my last album. It hurt me like hell, but I'm back on these rappers.
So Donny is undefeated today. He jumped on my V4 Speciale. He beat the OutspokenTiger on his R1M. He beat Mezz on his ZX10. These men all weigh very, very close to the same.
So Donny is absolutely a savage. I want to hear what these men have to say. I want to hear what you guys have to say. What happened, Tiger?
He passed me on the big end.
He got you on the big end?
Yeah, he got me on the big end.
He was fighting wheelies throughout because he's not familiar with this bike. So I saw you. The bike was bouncing up and down, fighting wheelies. Mezz, what do you have to say about that
He's
V4?
running great.
Yeah.
He's running great. Cameron got me at the top end.
Yeah.
What, a bike and a half?
Legs. It's got some nice long legs on it.
Wow.
It's got some nice long legs.
Some dope footage. Yeah. Yep. For sure.
Yeah. It starts picking up power up to the top end.
So Donny, are you still undefeated?
I am. I'm undefeated. Tiger got out on me in a couple races on my S1000. I think I caught him in the top
Can
end.
you please stand next to Tiger? I want people to see the size, you know, how everything looks here.
Good races. They are real close. Tiger's bike is quick.
Tiger's a beast. I mean, he makes me proud of the R1M, but please stand over there. You can keep your jacket on to show that you were wearing a jacket today. Tiger was not. Tiger's a little taller, but weight-wise, you guys are very similar body structures. You both have bird-like featherweight bones for sure. Starting away, what do you have to say, sir?
I cannot get the top on a guy that weighs 50 pounds less than I do.
Wow. On Outspoken
But
Tiger.
I had him all the way up to 6th gear.
Yeah.
But big end, I'm a drag.
Does this bike impress you? I mean, it certainly impresses me, the R1M.
Yes, it does. Yes,
It makes me very proud of this damn bike. And it doesn't have any nitrous. It hasn't been butchered. It still has all of its components. It still has this complete Öhlins suspension system. Has both of its rotors up front. The only thing is that he's using lowering straps, and that's totally fine in this game of war. You know, use whatever it takes to help you launch better from the takeoff, and this certainly helps this bike launch.
Oh, a bunch of beautiful machines. King Donny Brasco, undefeated for today. Here comes Stunnerway, doing what he does best. Let's see how far you can go. Let's see how far Stunnerway can go on his wheelie. Now he has a long stretch of highway. There is absolutely no excuse for him to put this motorcycle down. When you see that clean highway, he can go for miles. We're going to see how far he can actually go. So we got to ride with Mezz and OutspokenTiger today. These guys are some awesome guys from out of the Dallas, Texas area. Really nice guys. They have beautiful motorcycles, nicely done up. Really good sports. They beat me, both of them. And they also took some losses from Donny Brasco, but no hard feelings, no attitudes. It is what it is. And those are the type of people that you want to surround yourself with. Some of these other guys out here that just want to come and race and destroy people, make a name for themselves, and not really contribute to the motorcycle community, well, those guys are not my biggest fans. But these guys, they definitely are. He got me. He got me. Well, here's something the OutspokenTiger's probably not used to, coming from Texas, and that's rain. It does occasionally rain here in Turkey.
Well, our day is done. Everybody returned in one piece. We had a great time. There were no issues. Lots and lots of racing, lots and lots of smackdowns on these beautiful streets of Turkey. Special thanks to the government here of Turkey for allowing us to race on the streets of Istanbul. And now we're going to pack these bikes up, put them back onto the C5 Galaxy transport plane, and head back to the United States. We hope to return here real soon. Donny Brasco is the king of Turkey and of the filthy streets everywhere. He reigns supreme on my V4 Speciale and his BMW S1000RR. Special shout out to my good buddy OutspokenTiger, a very outspoken young man, doing his thing here, and many more videos of his to come. If you haven't checked out his channel, make sure you do that. A link to it is in the description. Thornerway finally left the United States to do some traveling, and he really enjoyed himself. So now if I can get some of the other Cleveland Fast Boys to travel with us, that would be outstanding. That's a beautiful Yamaha R1M. Stay tuned for more videos, and as always, thanks so much for viewing. This is also a beautiful Kawasaki ZX10 2018. We're here at a Yamaha headquarters near Atlanta, Georgia, picking up these amazing motorcycles. This one's for my little one. Little Aiden's going to love this for his 6th birthday. We're going to get him started here young, and then I'm going to use this Zuma 125 as my pit bike and sort of ride it around my development a little bit, have a little fun. And since my good buddy OutspokenTiger gave me a smackdown just yesterday on his R1M, I figure I'll get one too, turn it into an awesome street weapon, and we'll revisit with Mr. OutspokenTiger real soon after I get this one modded out, and we'll see what he can do at that point. But yeah, I love the R1M so much that I'm going to use my 2015 for the track and my brand new 2018 for the filthy streets, and Donny Brasco is going to pilot it and put the smackdown on Mr. OutspokenTiger real soon, so stay tuned for that.